Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking.
What's your name?
My name is Neha. What about you?
I'm John. Nice to meet you, Neha.
Nice to meet you too, John. Where are
I'm from New York.
I'm from India. How about you?
That's cool. What do you do?
I'm a student.
Do you speak English?
No, I'm learning English.
What is a skill you wish you were better at?
I wish was better at public speaking, expressing myself confidently.
What is your favorite thing about yourself?
I love my ability to stay positive and find the silver lining in any situation.
What is your favorite thing to do on a lazy Sunday?
I enjoy staying in bed, watching movies, and having a leisurely brunch.
Do you prefer traveling by plane or by train?
I prefer traveling by train.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby are reading, playing sports, cooking, etc.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I have an iPhone.
What is your favorite app?
My favorite app is Instagram.
Are you good with computers?
Yes, I am pretty good with computers.
How often do you use social media?
I use social media every day.
What is your favorite website?
My favorite website is YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe.